Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this week's video is gonna be a what I eat in a week video, but with a focus on my breakfast. So you can say this is gonna be a breakfast edition. I specifically want to share what I eat to get abs. Of course, other than all the cardio and abs workout that I do, I always try to pay attention to what I eat. On the other hand, I don't stress myself so much, and I definitely don't have a restrictive diet. So all the breakfast ideas and recipes that I'm gonna share in this video are gonna be more like balanced meals. I've shared my general principle when it comes to eating in my previous nutrition videos, but I'm gonna say it here again. I normally, as a standard, I try to follow a diet that it's gonna be 80-20. So everything that I eat, 80% is healthy, whereas 20% is maybe not that healthy. I always make sure that I get my daily protein and carbs in. So I know that I'm trying my best. I don't want to restrict myself so much. For example, one day I can wake up and I can eat strawberry jam for breakfast instead of honey, and this is not a big deal for me. As long as most of the things that I eat are nutritious, energizing resources, I'm gonna be good to go. That is my general mindset. Now, after this quick chit chat, we're gonna move on to the parts that I share my breakfast for every single day of the week, so you can get some inspiration from them. I normally try to keep them as simple and easy as possible because I don't want to waste too much time, or I don't want to think about what I'm gonna eat. So these are my general recipes that I always come back to after a while. When it comes to getting a defined abs look, nutrition is just one side, just one aspect of that. So if you want to see another video where I focus more on the physical training workout side, let me know. I would like to come up with a video like that in the future as well. So yeah, now to the breakfasts.
I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get. Days up staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop on stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it. I stay like now and I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same again. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up.
spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and ember trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting times learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by. Oh, I don't know why when life is beautiful I start to fear it'll slip through my fingers and just disappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and ember trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. But it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. Goodbye to summer. If life is an ocean wave, I'll stand on the shore and wait. Panoramic point of view, it paints a different kind of you. Nothing's permanent but change, waves never crashing in the same place. There's really not much you can do but marvel at the residue. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. But I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer.
There's pain in the struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing these days, baby, then let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. 3 a.m. and I keep waking up from the same dream. Never thought anxiety would change me, but everything that goes up must come down. And every time I think I got it made, I drown. I wish that it were different now, but that's how it's gotta be. So let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it
close my eyes and lightning strikes. So I won't sleep till I get